According to the Bureau of Labor and Statistics, the HVAC industry is estimated to grow by 5% over the next decade, and the median wage is $24 per hour. And if you are looking to start a career as an HVAC installer, then this video is for you. Hi, I'm Josh with Fire and Ice. If you're looking for a career where you can work with your hands, solve problems, and have a long-term employment, becoming an HVAC installer might be for you. Whether it's new construction or replacing an existing system, there will always be a need for new HVAC systems. And in this video, we'll go over how to get started, the skills needed to succeed, and the benefits and downsides of becoming an HVAC installer. And if you find today's content helpful, subscribe to our channel for weekly educational content. Getting started in HVAC is generally done by enrolling in an HVAC trade school or other post-secondary non-degree program. These programs take between 10 months and 2 years to complete. Now, going through school will give you an idea of the profession, but it will also supply you with a solid head start on the basics. It also shows future employers that you are committed to the trade. There are dozens of schools across the United States that specialize in HVAC. At Fire and Ice, we partner with two programs, Columbus State Community College and Fortis College. At Fortis, students learn how to service and repair commercial, refrigeration, gas heat, heat pumps, and air conditioning. Columbus State offers a 2-year Associate of Applied Science degree in HVAC technology. They provide instruction in the principles of refrigeration, load calculations, hand tools and safety, the instrumentation and combustion process, and much more. Now you might be asking, what skills should I have to become a successful installer? Having a general curiosity of how things work and how to put things together are important skills to have. A good installer should also be good at critical thinking and be analytical. When it comes to installing, nothing is cut and dry. Every install is different. Being able to visualize how the finished project is going to look 20 steps later is very important. Other important skills to have include knowledge and ability to use tools safely, the ability to retain and apply training, understanding and comprehension of manuals or wiring schematics, cleanliness, punctuality, and dependability are very important. Hey, before we move on, if you're enjoying this video so far, please like this video and leave a comment once you're done. We love to hear what you have to say and want to answer all of your questions. And did you know that we have even more resources on our website? Click the link here to visit our Learning Center for more in-depth information. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content. The HVAC industry is always in demand for experienced installers. Whether you specialize in commercial, residential, industrial, it's highly likely you will never be without a job. The HVAC industry has been said to be recession-proof. Another benefit is that the skills you learn in this trade can also be applied to a number of mechanical trades. As an installer, you'll likely get experience in roofing, electrical, mechanics, masonry, carpentry, plumbing, and more. Many of these skills are in high demand all across the country, allowing you to have a choice of where you want to work. Another benefit is that each day will be different. Each day will have its own set of challenges and solutions. You'll get to work someplace new and meet new people every day. Working in HVAC is not like working on an assembly line or in an office doing the same thing day in, day out. The bottom line is, as your knowledge and skills grow, your earning potential will follow. Knowledge is key. At Fire and Ice, we are all about transparency. Working as a residential HVAC installer is hard work. It's physically demanding. Working outside and may need to even crawl through tight spaces such as an attic or a crawl space. And on any given day, an installer could be lifting an air conditioner, removing an old furnace or equipment, or working outside in frigid temperatures. Working as an installer means you may pick up a few scars along the way. On-the-job injuries can happen since you'll likely be working with sharp objects, be around heavy equipment, be exposed to extreme heat and cold, and maybe be around potentially hazardous materials such as carbon monoxide. As a technician, you can't be afraid to get dirty. You'll likely want to have thick skin and be willing to work long hours to get the job done right. When you're working directly with customers, there will be days where you will get yelled at, but being able to maintain composure is important. Additionally, it's not uncommon for installers to work overtime throughout the peak seasons. According to Moore's Law, technology doubles every 18 to 24 months. The same holds true for the HVAC industry. Equipment gets more sophisticated every year. As technology changes, your skills and knowledge will have to adapt. It's important to stay up to date on the latest trends. Some manufacturers offer ongoing coursework, and there are a few training centers where you can even hone your skills. Additionally, obtaining certificates offered by organizations such as the North American Technician Excellence, or NATE, are great ways of staying current in HVAC. So let's talk about what to do next. Whether you're an experienced HVAC installer or someone just starting out or exploring your options, we hope you found this video helpful. If you are in Columbus or Central Ohio and want to align yourself with the best in the industry, develop transferable skills, and start a career that will set you and your family up for future success, consider joining Fire and Ice Heating and Air Conditioning today. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and be sure to subscribe to get updates every time we upload a new video. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to making your day better.